on our list. Rowan's found some whales for his whale room. Having fun, waiting for Daddy. What we got? It's goody on there, look. Isla's eating some Ikea chocolate cake. Yeah. Oh, careful. Where's it gone? They are, baby. Rowan's playing with my dinner and he's refused to eat his own. Just leave it alone then. No. Well, hello.
Hi.
Where have we just been?
Ikea.
So this is the
Ikea vlog.
hall.
Oh.
Like a roll. The first thing is meatballs. I love some meatballs, so we've got meatballs and a few packets of the sauce. They've really gone up. I think they were like nearly £7, £6.95. And I'm sure they used to be like £4. They've really gone up. And I got 3 of these really nice black jars. I've got some new jars from Primark. And I've black labelled them. And I just thought, actually, I've got some black labels coming for hot chocolate and marshmallows. So I'm going to just put the black labels on these. But I've got 3 of these. I think these were £5 each, but I didn't spend as much in there as I thought we'd spent. So I'm going to check the receipt on that. Got a little Valentine's surprise plan for Jace. I need these for it. I might not need them, but I think I do. What else do we get? Oh, we got some, God, what are they called? Fried onions. Jace loves these on everything, and I always grab them whenever I see them. We're trying this because I really like the lingonberry drink. So I'm trying the concentrate, which is, I think, like a cordial. I've got to check how fattening it is, but I think you only need a tiny bit. And that was like £2.99. And then these waffles. So that's mine. I've got a little Valentine's Day plan. We also got 3 of these big boxes for Rowan. I'm trying to do it in the corner of my kitchen. My kitchen is carnage. I've got lights going out all over the place in the kitchen. I need to get new bulbs. It's like a light show in here. And I've got stuff to go in the washing machine, stuff to go in the dishwasher. Christmas stuff is everywhere piled up that needs to go in the loft. Jason? Can you grab me the other ones of these out of there? So I've got 2 of these little baskets for a little plan I've got. I'm just going to show you. They are, they're like, it's really difficult to show you, but they're like this, just little round baskets, 2 for £6, and they also hang up. So I've got a little plan. So we're ended up with, the kids have got the bigger baskets and we've got the little ones, but I thought they'd be good for our keys and things. I'm going to hang them up in the hall, but it's all, can't show you yet until I've got a piece of furniture I want and I've moved everything around. And then I follow this girl called Gemma on YouTube, and she won't watch me, but she's amazing. She's all I aspire to be. But she's got these like salady bowls, and I just fell in love with them, and I was just like, they're great. That's exactly what I need, actually, a big salad bowl. And my fruit bowl's useless. I can never get enough fruit in, so I thought it can be used as well as a fruit bowl and as a salad bowl, serving in the summer. And then I've got like a little one if we're just doing like rice or anything. So I just really love those. I need them. A few other bits, but I've got this big basket. It is very corally pink, so, and they only do it in this colour, but I just thought it'd be good for my washing and bits and bobs. So I got it for laundry, and I've got this random tablet holder or phone holder thing, and it folds down so we can take it abroad versus take it on holiday. I thought it'd be great for Isla's little tablet when she's watching her films, so I got that, and it was £4.50. So yeah, we spent £112. We've got a unit to go with those blue boxes I've just shown you. And Jason's going to build it, and then I'll show you what I'm doing with it. Basically, I'm onto like storage, toy storage, because it's mad, this lighting's crap. I'm feeling super poorly as well, so don't I, Jace? So my blood pressure, I didn't take my blood pressure tablet yesterday till really late, and it's really made me feel awful. I haven't taken my vitamins, which I should do. Oh yeah, can you see my pictures of baby Rowan? Look at his mushy little face. Oh, he's so tiny there. He's so tiny. I've already got a bit of Easter up. I've nowhere else to put it, really. Pardon?
He's still in the unit in those pictures.
Yeah. So, I haven't really do branded, but I've got some, I've been feeling pretty rubbish, so I've got some adult multivitamins I'm giving a go. I'm raspberry ketone to go with the diet. I don't know if it does anything. Probably doesn't. Skin, hair and nails. I lose a lot of hair. And probably because I'm just fiddling with it all the time. Like I'm always itching my scalp. Like I'm always like playing with my hair. I'm always itching it, even if it doesn't itch. I like just get my nails in there, and I just don't think it's good for me. It's not good. And then the kids have a Well Kid vitamin. Yes, and Jason's just noticed that there's a light going on in the kitchen. So we're down 2 lights. So I think it's a sign, guys, that I saw some bits in Ikea for the kitchen today. And although we're not having a new kitchen at all, like we're just not in this house anyway. I just don't see the point in wasting money on it. At the minute anyway, he's blinded me. But I've seen a massive shelf with like a pole and a hook, and it's really hard to describe. But I'm thinking of putting it in here and doing something in the kitchen. So I'm trying not to show you the kitchen because I want it to be a surprise. But we'll do before and afters. So yeah, that's it. So this is vlog 2, and we've still not chosen the wallpaper, so we've still got to go wallpaper shopping. So that vlog will probably be vlog 3. Will be free now, I think.